Hello everybody, it's me again. Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm doing a super simple gel design using gel polish up from Lagunamonn. Just one of the gel polishes, the one that I said to you is really good for a jelly nail, which is CLO or CL013. I'm also using Glitter Planet UK's Mike, which is a super fine holographic glitter, which is stunning. So say hello to Felicia, the flexi finger. Now this design is super easy. You know, anyone can do this at home. I will put the details for the gel polish in the description box below. Now this is part of a set and you can get the whole set on Amazon. I think it's 6 gel polishes. It was, last time I checked, $9.99, but I have a discount code as well. So what you need to do is go to Amazon, you put in the product number, which I will list, and then you put in the VIP code at checkout and you should be getting your 30% discount. It's super good value for money. And they're members of Amazon Prime, so you can get it nice and quickly. I'm just going to turn my doofery off because it is giving me notifications. So all I'm doing is applying a thin layer of this polish to each nail, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Oh, and I need to say thank you. We have hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm amazed. I didn't think it would happen. And every day I have new people subscribing and it's really exciting. People actually want to watch me. I'm really excited about it. And you know there's a lot more to come. It's only going to get better because we have the salon being built. It has taken a lot longer than anticipated because it's being built by one man, and that is my husband. And he has built the structure from the ground up. It wasn't a summer house that we purchased or anything like that. He has built it from the ground up, foundations, everything, single-handedly. But he's recently been quite poorly, so he had to take a break. But hopefully he'll be back soon. So just pray that we get there, ready for the Christmas rush. That's my aim. Can you see now why I said this polish would be so good for jelly nails? I love jelly nails. What I don't like is the natural nail showing underneath. That's why I came up with this, because I figured it was a way to have the jelly nail without the bit underneath. So this is after 2 coats. So you still see that jelly nail effect. But what I don't like is where you see that more opaque effect where the nail bed is. So here's what we're going to do. Yes, I spilled glitter everywhere. I know. I'm going to top coat every nail with the Blue Sky normal just gloss top coat. I'm then going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then what I do is take my fluffy brush and I burnish in some of that Glitter Planet Superfine Glitter. Now, for some reason it didn't record it at the beginning and I ended up realizing halfway through what I was doing and pressing record to show you. So when this part's done, you will see it skip to already having some of the glitter burnished in. But basically, we're leaving the tacky layer on and then burnishing the glitter into that. And what it's going to do is it's going to cover that area that I don't like, where you see the free edge of the natural nail. I don't like that bit. I don't know why, just gives me the EBGBs. So that goes in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then, there you go, it's skipped. What a mess I've made, look. So all I'm doing is taking a fluffy brush, dipping it in the glitter, and then just rubbing it down. And I'm doing a glitter fade on 3 of the nails, and then on one of them, I did a solid glitter. It's so pretty. It's so holographic. Even in natural daylight, it's super, super holographic. And that's all you do with that. And then when I'm happy with the fades and everything, I will top coat using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss. And that will go in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then a second layer will go on again just to cover that glitter. So the first layer I do for 30 seconds so that it's still slightly sticky, then I do a second layer and cure that for 60 seconds. So what we're getting is the jelly nail trend without the nail bed showing, you know, and adding some glitter to it, because Everything in nails is better with glitter, in my opinion. Glitter is like my soul. I must be part unicorn, I think. I'm floating, as you can see, I'm really floating that over the glitter because I don't want to scrape the glitter off. I also don't want to contaminate my polish too much. And before I put the brush back into the top coat, I will actually wipe it on clean paper just to make sure that there's no glitter getting in and contaminating. This glitter is absolutely stunning. Oh, I forgot. I've got a 10% off code for Glitter Planet UK as well. There you go. It's actually Queen Bee 10. I will put that in the description box below as well, so you can save yourself some money. Yes. And it's super good. Super, super beautiful. So that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds and then obviously have the second layer on it for 60 seconds. And then these are the reveal photos, and also the final little video clip shows the nails in natural light. So this is them under the lamp. Beautiful. And this is in natural light. I just wanted to show you the holo. It's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you've got anything else you want me to try, then give me a shout. Tally bye.